Today, we're exposing the most common scams targeting Revolut users in 2025 so you can protect your money, your identity, and your account. Let's break it down and show you what to avoid. Scammers send fake texts or emails saying your account is frozen or asking you to verify a transaction. They'll include a link that looks like Revolut, but it's a phishing page designed to steal your login info. So never click links from texts or emails. Always access Revolut directly from the app or Revolut.com. Look for grammar errors, suspicious domains, or pressure tactics like urgent or account blocked. Revolut does not offer support on Telegram, WhatsApp, or random DMs. Scammers will pretend to be support agents and ask for your card number, selfies, 2FA codes. Never give this info. Only use in-app chat or help.revolut.com for real support. Some scams promise insane crypto returns or automated profits bot that ask you to connect your Revolut account. Always research and never trust anyone promising guaranteed returns. And that's it. The top Revolut scams in 2025 exposed.